Hi everybody. As you know, we encourage you to work in a small solution that has only the project that you're working on loaded and not to load your entire solution into Visual Studio. The reason we recommend that is speed and speed of development, making things more fun to develop. But sometimes we need a broader perspective. Sometimes we want to see where something is being used. For example, here we have this entity and I want to see where it is being used. Unfortunately, in Visual Studio, when I do find usage, find all references, it will only search within the loaded projects and not the entire codebase. Now, one solution would be to load all the projects into Visual Studio, but that will dramatically slow Visual Studio down, and in many projects that are too big, it's not practical. Luckily, there's a great third-party tool that you can use to do that for you. The tool is called dotPeek, and it was originally designed to look at code and extract code out of compiled DLLs, but it's great for doing cross-reference. So let me go ahead and run it. Here is the way it looks when you just install it. I'll remove all the other DLLs from it, and then I'll use our code. I'll go to the bin or DLLs directory in this old version. I'll select all the DLLs and access that I've built. Oh, here are the ones that I care about. These are the ones that I built. I usually order it by date descending, and that separates external DLLs than the ones that I've built, and take them and drop them into dotPeek. Now at this point, dotPeek analyzes them and indexes them. I'll go back to our code and copy the class I want to search for, and jump back to dotPeek and search for that class. As you can see, it immediately finds it and opens it. Now this is not exactly the code, it's some kind of representation of the code, but it's good enough to do what I want it to do. And then I can just right click it and say find usage. And it will go and find usage across my entire codebase. Opening a small dialog showing me the DLLs that it's being used at and where exactly it is being used. You see? Over here or over here. That's great. Now, this tool relies on indexing to do that, so it actually is extremely fast. And it can help you solve these problems when you're looking to see usage of a table, of a column across your entire codebase. For example, I want to see where the cost type is being used. I'm going to say find usage, give it a few seconds, and it will show me everywhere that is being used, in any expression, in any parameter, in any control, really anywhere I want to see what it's done. So I hope you find this useful. Enjoy!